Shaun and I have been getting out to quite a few places in British Columbia the last 5 weeks, which has been awesome. So we've been kind of in the middle of British Columbia in the north, went into Alaska a couple weeks ago. So now we're fully east into the Rockies, so the East Kootenays in the Columbia Valley, and we're gonna go check out another glacier, which should be awesome. So after about a 10 and a half hour drive here from the Epic shop, Shaun's just unloading his truck there, and we're gonna get going up to the glacier. It's kind of weird. I think he washed this thing. It's like kind of shiny. I don't think I've ever seen his truck, his Jeep washed before, so take that for what you will. Here we go. That is a glacier. It's receding a lot since I was here last year, so that's not good. We're about halfway up the trail right now, so I'll go catch up to Shaun. All right, it's kind of late. It's just about 8 o'clock. Sun's gone down, and we're just on the last push up to a little cliffside camping spot. Probably gonna have to drive on the glacier to get there, but yeah, this road's pretty steep. Shaun's behind me. It's just beautiful up here. Good morning. Here we are at the glacier. It's about 8:30 in the morning. Slept really well. Woke up to this amazing sight. So, got a huge glacier here. There's the other one there. And if I spin around, there's the valley. Right back there. Looks amazing. I've out of breath. Hooked up to the base of the glacier, and there's these ginormous cracks right here. I was here a year ago, and this is all covered in snow and ice. Like, you wouldn't be able to see any of this, so it is melting pretty fast, but you gotta go check out that crack. Made it to the edge of the glacier. Just pieces are collapsing and falling in on themselves. Glacier hunting with Shaun. Hi.
We had a successful hunt.
We had a successful hunt. We definitely found an ancient glacier. We're standing kind of underneath a few pieces, and it's very clear and very ancient. It's going to take a few pieces for our drinks later and hopefully not die from some prehistoric disease, but you know, stay tuned, watch along. You can see our trucks in the background. Little ice cave goes all the way, exits in the back, 100 meters out. Pretty wild. You hear that?
Yeah.
What the hell was that? If I was under there and I heard that, I'd be like, what?
100% a piece of ice falling.
Or just cracking or shifting, right?
Oh, yeah, it's probably just a crack. Either way, it sucks.
Taking Shaun for another hike.
Piece of cake.
The dreaded H word. All right, it's in the afternoon now, and we're back at the Glacial cave, and the sun's out, and this thing is melting fast. It's like it's raining underneath here.
Oh my god, that tastes good.
I know, it's so good. It's so fresh. Oh, it's so good. Oh, there's a rock in there.
Oh no.
All right, so what do we got here?
This is a 32 years aged Scotch from Scotland.
Awesome.
Yes.
And we've got glacial ice we just chipped off. Awesome. Looks good. Cheers.
Cheers. It's hard to drink because the ice cube is too big. There's a glacier in my Scotch, Paul.
There is a glacier. I put a glacier in a
Got
Scotch.
a multi-million-year-old piece of ice. Hopefully there's no dinosaur viruses in the ice.
The Scotch will kill it.
Melt my ice a bit by pouring more.
Time for the Kinder Egg surprise. All you Americans miss out on this because these are illegal contraband in the United States.
Yes. This is how we do drugs in Canada.
Hide them in chocolate eggs, yeah.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur inside there.
Got it.
You got it. There we go. All right, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Had a good rain and windstorm. Started about 4 a.m. It was pretty crazy. So we're just packed up and now we're gonna head down the mountain. But yeah, it was a good little easy camping trip. Hope you enjoyed the views. And thanks for watching and following. Later. Looking for an epic Jeep or Ram? Give us a call.